Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In the last video, we learned to draw a line in C++, and today in this video we are going to learn how to draw rectangle in C++ graphics. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, here I am using Turbo C++ to execute this code. First I am creating new file, clear the previous code. And we need to save this file first. Let's give name rectangle. Okay. And here I am saving this file with cpp extension, which is extension of C++ file. As we know, common files in C++ are iostream and conio. I am using these files. Include iostream.h. conio.h. We need this file because we are using getch and clear screen function. And the next essential header file is graphics.h. This file helps to access the graphics libraries. Graphics.h. Okay. Then the starting of our code, void main function blocks. Okay. So I am starting my code by declaring variables, and gd means graphics driver, and then second variable is gm, means graphics mode. Okay. Next function is init graph. Init graph is most important function in graphics because it initializes the graphics system and loads the graphics drivers and puts it into graphics mode. So here I'm addressing graphics driver and graphics mode. Then here I'm declaring the path of BGI file. In my system the path is C:// BGI. This path can be changed in your system. So let's check this. Then here we will write a code for rectangle. Then getch function, because the rectangle function does not return any value. Ch function. Then the last function, close graph, to close the graphics. Okay. So we are coming back to this code. Here we are using rectangle function to draw rectangle, which is predefined in this header file graphics.h. Rectangle function. We have to pass 4 parameters in this function. First will be x coordinate of first point, second will be y coordinate of first point, and similarly x and y coordinates of second point. So first point will be top left point of rectangle and second will be bottom right point of the rectangle. Suppose so take any random number. I am taking here 100, 200, then 250 and 300. Let's check this code. First we need to save this code. So save it, compile. Okay, no error is there. Run it. Yes, we have the output. This is our rectangle. Enter. Guys, here if you see, we are taking just 2 points of rectangle, but exact rectangle is made up of 4 points. So what criteria should we use to get these points? Here I am going to show you what is method used to get these points. Let's see. Okay, I am using Paint software. Suppose we want to draw this rectangle in C++, then we will take the top left point, means this is the top left point. Let's change the color. Okay, this is the top left point and this is bottom right point. We can take the coordinates from here. What are coordinates? 99 and 84. 99 and 84. Similarly, for this point, coordinates are 269 and 180. So, 269 and 180. So let's put these points into our rectangle function. First point was 99 and 84. 99 and 84. Similarly, another point was 265 and 180. 265 and 180. Save the code and let's check. No error. Let's run it. Yes, we got our rectangle. Suppose you want to draw a square, then the same function you should use, that is rectangle function. So I can show you how we will draw the square. Let's take the points 100 and 100. Second point will be 100 and 200. Okay. Let's run the code. Yes, here we have the square. So guys, we have successfully drawn the square and rectangle in C++. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning and thank you so much for watching.